Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Warzone Rebirth. First, familiarize yourself with the game's core objective. Eliminate all opposing squads to secure victory. Select a versatile loadout that includes both a primary and a secondary weapon, ensuring you're prepared for various combat situations. Take a moment to fine-tune your controller or mouse sensitivity. Finding the right setting can significantly improve your aiming accuracy and overall gameplay experience. When the match begins, choose a landing zone that is less contested by other players. This allows you to gather essential resources like armor plates and a reliable weapon without immediate pressure. Focus on collecting cash as you explore, as this currency is vital for purchasing valuable items, such as your custom loadout or kill streaks, from the buy stations scattered across the map. Smart looting sets you up for success. As the game progresses, always be mindful of the shrinking safe zone and plan your movements accordingly to avoid the gas. During engagements, utilize available cover, like buildings or natural terrain, to protect yourself from enemy fire and gain an advantage. Effective communication with your teammates is paramount. Call out enemy positions and coordinate your pushes to overwhelm opponents and secure eliminations. Teamwork makes the dream work. In the intense final circle, securing a strong position, such as high ground or an area with ample cover, is crucial. Try to conserve your armor plates and any lethal equipment, like grenades or throwing knives, for the most critical moments of the endgame. Collaborate closely with your squad, focusing fire on remaining enemies and using your combined strengths to outmaneuver and eliminate the last opposing team, claiming victory in Rebirth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.